Hi and welcome to Home Cooking with Mimi. Today we are making homemade hot chocolate. It is a rich and velvety hot drink, perfect for a cold winter day. And the best part, it only takes 5 minutes. First, warm up a cup of whole milk over medium-high heat and add a tablespoon of sugar. In a separate container, add a tablespoon of cocoa powder. And if you love an extra rich hot chocolate, then you can make this 2 tablespoons. Then add a teaspoon of cornstarch. This will give the hot chocolate its delicious creaminess. Add a little bit of milk at a time and then mix until it forms a paste. Once the sugar has dissolved in the warm milk, add the cocoa powder mix and then keep stirring until the hot chocolate starts to thicken. This should take around 5 minutes. Interesting side note. Did you know that there's a difference between hot chocolate and hot cocoa? Well, I didn't till yesterday. Hot cocoa is made with powder, whereas hot chocolate has to have cocoa butter in it, i.e. real chocolate. So technically speaking, we are making hot cocoa. There are pros and cons to both drinks. The chocolate in hot chocolate gives it a richer texture, but the cocoa powder makes hot cocoa more chocolatey. We are using cocoa powder, and we are thickening the drink with cornstarch, which will give it the creamy texture that hot chocolate is famous for. So, in my opinion, this is the best of both worlds. Sometimes I find that hot chocolate can be a bit too thick. You know, like the hot chocolate that you have to eat with a spoon? But I do like my hot chocolate to be a bit creamy. This recipe is the perfect thickness for me. How dense do you like your hot chocolate? Let me know in the comments below. Once the hot chocolate has started to thicken, pour it into your mug. Now you can add any topping you want. I made some whipped cream earlier. My only advice if you are making your own whipped cream, which by the way is totally worth it, is to put your bowl and utensils in the fridge for 20 minutes beforehand. This will make the cream much easier to whip. All that's left to do now is to top the hot chocolate with a big dollop of whipped cream. And I'm going to add some chocolate shavings too. Then just relax and enjoy your drink. If you like this recipe, please give the video a thumbs up. Thanks for watching!